Me need to talk to him about something very pressing. And it a trouble me.
And Miss Brissett, where's your foot up, man? Sure. You have to welcome you now. What you say? What's your next assignment for me? And that a go on?
Yeah, man. Vicious stay up in them feelings somewhere there, you know. Want the assignment too. Yeah, boss him.
Feelings. Deal me, I want no feel no dealings. Why me I tell you no say no mission can't go on again and me no night, you know. Me have to lead out.
I like your enthusiasm still. But that is the very reason why I'm here. It seems as though we shouldn't even involve in the mission we want to do.
Oh, yeah, say Miss Brissett, man. We're glad for your help, man. As long as we get out the criminal them out of the community, we're good with that.
Yeah, but we have to now monitor how deep we go in. As me get for understand, say there's a concern with this whole Teflon thing.
Yeah. I hate me the reason with them both.
So how we gonna approach this?
Based on your concern, Butcher, and where you tell Whisper, Vicious, is that Teflon no, and it's cause for concern because one might under premits.
I think it that deep still in Miss Brissett. Figure we can reach out to Teflon and make him know what's going on.
And me no feel like a we if chat to him.
So how go on for King, man? Him and them a come from back in our days. You know.
That might be tricky. But want to ranking. Him not can talk to Teflon.
No, you know, Miss Brissett. Nah, go work out. You see me, cause a couple years back, ranking, they make them slap her when I'm never. See it up from them the time that them not take part.
So the ranking run 21.
That a youth too. Youth them grew up and change the place, Miss Bissett. You see the incident them I tell you about? From that go on. Every Archer family left 21.
Alright now. Teflon now go take no talk from ranking. King man would be best person, you hear that?
Then again, we not hear nothing from King, man. We don't know what's going on with him.
Gentlemen, out of respect and the friendship where Uno and Kingman have, I think it's only right for me explain what I go on. Kingman find himself in some problem with the agency. He violate a code. And him have to stay off of the grid. That is all I can tell you now.
But Miss Brissett, right now, if Teflon a pre we, and only Kingman alone can do something about it, then Uno not have to go do something then?
Think when and Kingman did good. I kind of code him, bro.
Gentlemen, remember the agreement that we have is that once you use one tools them as protection for the community, only can keep them. Right?
That when we did have them.
Yeah. But we don't need them. Because we're not trying a different part now. Right? And the agreement was no agent must come to harm. Correct?
Correct.
Think of it like that. With this situation.
So you say King man go after an agent.
Again.
If agent not fit you, investigative journalism you for do. That's all I can say, gentlemen. Nothing more.
So we'll talk to Teflon in time come.
Now that when I say ranking can't talk to him, we have to use another option. Who writes us have a link feed? They call a peace meeting when the incident did happen with Butcher, not true. What kind of vibe you get from it?
Good enough. I did agree to everything we talk about.
You think you want to do the honors and reach out to him for me?
Alright then, Miss Brissett. We do, man.
She's right. All right, gentlemen. My ear on no concerns. And we're going to work on it. My own the respect for come pass through and I couldn't know what happened. So we're going to fix things.
Yes, man.
See?
That is it, man.
Big up.
Do the right thing.
That is it. Miss Brissett. It maker on the job. Oh, man, them a motor dog.